Hey, Thorax.
Alright, look, I know a lot of my bits are just lewd for the sake of being lewd, but I want everyone to direct their attention to this picture. Look at it. Look at it from the waist up. And you tell me, with a straight face, that this doesn't look like Thorax is getting the bombest blowjob of all time. Oh boy. Ah! I can't even do it right.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you...
What's up, everybody? Wolfhead Brony here again. It is a new year. By the time of me recording this, holy shit, it's been a long time since I did a reaction. I want to get some reactions back out there again. Today we have the MLP Fandom is Dead by Crown Prince. Came out December 13th, 2019. I don't know when he started working on this. I want to believe that he started working on this the instant the show ended. I've never seen this before. I don't know what to expect. But I am expecting to laugh because I know the title, the MLP Fandom is Dead, is probably gonna rustle some Brony's feathers a lot. I'm not in the comment section, but what I expect to see is a lot of Bronies going, "How dare you say the MLP Fandom's dead?" Like, I assume Crown Prince is just making a joke, right? Like, he's just doing a thing where he's like, this is probably gonna be like a super dramatic satire or something. So, I mean, I don't want to call too many shots before I watch it. So I'm gonna watch it right now. We're gonna get this ball rolling in 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, season 9 is gonna be the last season? Oh no, the fandom's dead!
The fandom is over.
Oh my god! Those eyes, my dude.
MLP's over. You know how many bits I have in Brony? What the f?
You know how many bits I have in Bitcoin?
Shut up. I'm thinking.
My investor money is going down the toilet.
That MLP is plummeting. I know I should have jumped on Steven Universe. I just I didn't think about it.
I should have invested in Steven Universe. What the fuck is going on back there? Oh my god. It's a fucking riot. Just like my marriage. Is that Celestia? The ship is sinking. She's gonna go down with the ship. That's what that's supposed to mean.
I'm calling for Mr. Gene Johnson. My name is David Trotter, Special Agent of the Federal Bureau of Investigations.
Oh dear sweet Celestia, it's all falling down. Okay. You can't be going back to your asthma. You're too rich for asthma.
I'm too rich for my asthma.
Calm down. Karen! I want you to make some calls. I have some more holdings in the Haymans and Saddle Arabia. Sell everything. Okay?
Oh my god.
MLP, EQG, the one with the freaky pets, get rid of them.
The pet shop show? I forgot the name of that show. So dramatic. I knew this was gonna be like a dramatic tape.
And that's why I'm going to die with it. Dignity.
Oh, that's a volcano. Oh, Twilight is dead. Everybody is meteors. Celestia is gone. Everybody is gone. The fuck is the rocket ship supposed to symbolize? Oh my god. Oh, that was great. Progressive rock, Brony. Oh my god. That was good. I liked that. That was really good. So yeah, I guess that was just a take on how like dramatic everybody got when they heard that season 9 was going to be the last season. Everybody that they heard before them going, the Phantom is not dead, the Phantom is not dead, the Phantom is not dead. And what Crown Prince has done is that he's taken that to its ultimate dramatic conclusion. Just Celestia saluting and slowly sinking is just the greatest image that I will ever see in a while. But yeah, I guess Bronies did get a little dramatic when they announced that season 9 was the last season. You know, whether you choose to stay with the fandom or you choose to leave, the fandom is gonna still remain. You know, and I kind of feel like a jackass saying that because I just complained about it. I was just like, yo, I don't want to contribute to this echo chamber of the fandom is not dead because we already know. We already know that the Phantom is not dead, so why would you repeat that over and over and over again? The only reason I could see anybody just repeating that over and over and over again is like in those situations where something bad happens and you have to like breathe and you have to be like, all right, everything is fine, everything is fine, everything is fine. I feel like it's one of those where the show ended. And a lot of bronies didn't know what to do. And so they were like, they just kept repeating that the fandom is not dead, the fandom is not dead, the fandom is not dead. Because the thought of the fandom dying because of the show ending fucking terrifies them. I love the fandom, but I'm not above poking fun at the fandom. As a brony myself, I will make fun of another brony for the same reason. Like, I don't care, dude. But yeah, that was Crown Prince. The MLP fandom is dead. It was great. I loved everything about it. And I will see you guys next video. Peace.